So, if you're saving to buy your first home, you might have heard you need 20% of the home price for your down payment. But here's the truth, that's not necessarily the case. Unless specified by your lender, you don't always need to put down that much. As you can see, today's median down payment is less than 20%. In fact, it's only 14% when you take the average for all buyers. It's even lower for first-time home buyers, just 6%. The big takeaway, don't let this myth be a barrier to achieving your dream of home ownership. If saving for a down payment still feels like a challenge, know there are over 2,000 assistance programs in the U.S., and the majority are intended to help with down payments. If you want to purchase a home this year, let's connect because you may be closer to your savings goal than you think. Give me a call today. I am Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Let's connect. We can help you out.